Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet front post half double crochet stitches. Take tail of yarn, fix this yarn with thumb. Insert your hook under this yarn. Take this yarn and pull up yarn. Tie yarn. Take hook and yarn with these fingers. Work by these fingers. This is in right hand and left hand. Take hook, take yarn. Like this. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain. And continue to chaining. I made 10 chains in here. Add 2 more chains. To start, make half double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 2 chains. Yarn over, go to this chain, insert your hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up yarn. Now we have 1 2 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, and make half double crochet stitches. Yarn over, go to last chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. For make front post half double crochet stitch, after first row make 2 chains, turn it, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook from front of work like this. Take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, take this stitch, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, and continue like this. Make half double crochet stitches around these stitches. Yarn over, take last stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through. Make 2 chains, turn it, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, first stitch, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, pull up yarn, pull through, and make half double crochet around this stitches. Yarn over, take last stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make 2 chains, turn it and continue same as before. Run, take this stitch and make half double crochet stitch around these stitches. Make 2 chains and continue same as before runs. This is front post half double crochet stitches.